We're a minute early. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the live stream. Of course, you know we just gonna wait a few minutes before we get a few more viewers in. Let it populate up. Let the live stream populate, and then we can get down to business. Just a quick blow through though. I could blow through these really quickly. ACHR. I didn't get a chance to review any of these here before starting this thing up. So run through them really quickly. This one that I'm really concerned about here. SOUN, man. We looking for this thing to retrace, but it's not showing. We still got 20% of our call options still around, but our easy money put option here. $14 strike EXP, the end of the week. So, yeah. We might release the rest of our calls here, depending on where they open up at. Shout out to everybody that came to the live chat. Shout out to Blake's in the building. Do you see the Red Cat news? I'm partnering with Palantir. Red Cat partnering with Palantir? Let me see. Black Widow. Okay, cool. But listen, Palantir really gonna get a lot of catalysts left and right soon Trump becomes into office, because in case you guys don't know, Palantir is everything that's border control, and I believe that's the Trump middle name, right? So we shall see. What's up, Sig Finnegan, my boy Finnegan? Yo, Haas got him the whole year. Haas ain't playing no games. Yeah, guys, I forgot. We do got a Christmas giveaway for memberships over on the Discord for those that was looking for that 50% off. 50% off on yearly and lifetime. So take advantage. But yeah, guys, we looking at PLTR. I think we're gonna see retracement here on today. Like, I think this partnership was basically like a Palantir foot the bill thing. I'm gonna do more DD on it, but some partnerships and strategic moves actually come with a slight retracement depending on stipulations in that partnership. UMAC. All right. We keeping our eyes out on that one. All right. Yeah, I can't wait till the market open up, guys. I'm looking at I think we're gonna see another pool in the quantum space. Semiconductors looking like it's gonna be ready to move here today, but what I do want to keep my eyes out on here, we're gonna catch us a spy play, hopefully. But ACHR, we already looked at that. We're gonna keep our eyes out on this one here today. Like I said before, man, ACHR. Be aware of a surprise offering that can happen anytime, right? You got to take in consideration, guys. These guys are making flying taxis. It's not cheap. It's not a cheap product to manufacture or bring to market. So got about 140 million shares in the pool still to sell if you actually need to raise cash. If I was a CEO, I would consider an offering. That's just me, guys. That's just the businessman in me. Tired raises on bones, as they say. You right about that, Blake. Guys, again, get this thing to 125 likes so we can open up this live chat for everybody. We got 170 people watching, so we can easily get this live chat open for everybody to ask questions. But yeah, we got thanks for the 50% off. Anytime, Haas, you know it's. If anybody's in the holiday giving mood, you know I am, guys. Don't forget our $1,000. I'm giving away $1,000 on Christmas, right? Simple way to enter, guys. All you gotta do is just, watch the videos, wait for the number to pop up on the screen, tag me in said post on Twitter, and share the video. That's how you get an entry. And we got about 9 people only playing right now, guys, and every single 9 hasn't missed a video. So pretty tight competition. We're gonna pick 3 winners. First place winner gets $500. Second place will get $3, and third place winner will get $200, guys. We will be giving out those payments on Christmas Day. So with that being said, man, I hope to see some more people participate, guys. If we get more participants, guys, we'll probably do 2,000 and have more winners. I really want a lot of people to have a great Christmas. Shout out to, oh man, guys, you kill me. I mean, at least he has a actual name. I know a lot of guys they come in here with these names and I read off the name and now it's like I'm being trolled because the names be so crazy. But shout out to you for that super chat, man. The super chats really, really, really do go a long way. In fact, guys, it sheds a lot of insight and let me know that you guys love these live streams. So that's why we keep them coming. But QBTS, if you're currently holding QBTS, let me know in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen. But QBTS, man, like I said, man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it like a McDonald's commercial, but everything else we have to take into consideration, guys. And a lot of people tend to actually find themselves on the wrong side of this. You buy at the wrong time. Like, for instance, we're approaching this upper, right? I'm a buyer under the upper when I'm bullish on the stock. But we're going to jump that upper here today. I feel like we're going to jump that upper and more than likely close above the upper, depending on market conditions, like I told you guys in yesterday's video. But I'm feeling good about today's market conditions. All right, I'm feeling good about today's market conditions. Semiconductor, we did see a correction / cool down, especially in Nvidia, guys. Nvidia is seeing what we call a correction. All right. But QBTS, semiconductor sector, quantum computing sector, AI, you name it. I think we're going to see a Q1 2025 rally that's going to dwarf this year's Q1 with ease. I see QBTS actually crossing those 338s here, those $5.38 levels here today. I don't think we're going to see a new high on this rally. Breaking that 52-week high. Not only that, QUBT, I didn't forget about you, even though that this thing is a little bit slower reacting. But as you can see, that mid Bollinger dance, some people like to call it tight trading, but dancing along that mid, guys. Slow reaction from Friday's rally. As you know, QBTS actually did see that in the space. Let's check out the live chat. Nvidia is a cash rich. You right, so I don't even know why they do correction. But see, look, Blake, I'm honestly, like they said I was crazy when I was saying Nvidia is going to announce a buyback plan. 4 months later, they announced a buyback plan, right? Nvidia got so much cash on hand. I got to take a sip of the coffee, but Nvidia has so much cash on hand, they don't even know what to do with it. I I do feel as though that right now Nvidia is just seeing a correction, end of the year. You know what? A lot of new investors aren't aware of this. At the end of the year, we tend to see a mass sell-off across the board just because of people basically taxes, guys, getting ready for the tax year. So a few plays may correct here just off of that alone. A lot of people may begin to sell off bad positions for tax write-offs. That's what we tend to see towards the end of the year, guys. So, yeah. But even though that Nvidia, let's say the titan of the market, okay, let's go to it really quickly. The titan of the market, a lot of people like to call this stock, but you see the growth pains here. All right, let's move the PCD here really quickly. But you see the growth pains here. And a few months back, a lot of people was calling me crazy, saying I'm spreading FUD. I don't know what I'm talking about, this and that. Guys, remember I said Palantir is the best stock to buy. Even though that we're seeing market corrections and flat back and forth trading, Palantir seems as though that it is currently one of the least affected stocks by downwards pressure in the market, guys. Am I the only one that sees this? I can't be. Remember when I said, guys, expect the same trajectory from this quarter? Okay, we're heading into this earnings. I'm like, okay, guys, the way things are set up right now, we expect to see the same trajectory this earnings. Guys, I was fucking off because this trajectory here, in comparison to this earnings to that one, oh my god, this thing is super steep. But again, we still have government contracts for reconstruction here. With the Trump administration right around the corner, Palantir is a better buy than Tesla. I keep telling everyone this, even though that Tesla and Donald Trump, Elon Musk and Donald Trump may have a relationship, a friendship. You know how those rich guys is. But even though that may be true, everything that is far as the Trump administration protocol and the things that he is pushing is all Palantir, guys. Palantir is the #1 company when you're looking for border control. The technology that they use is basically universal communications and I'm trying to figure out the right word. Integration amongst aerospace. It's really going to be their sweet spot. I think they're going to, the reconstruction of government contracts here in Palantir next year during the Trump administration takeover is really going to put this thing in another conversation. All right, so that's what I'm looking into. Shout out to Also Rock Watches. Bet you that guy got a wonderful watch. Sounds like an AP guy to me. Hey, Obi, how do you feel about Micron earnings this week? Honestly, I'm feeling good about the earnings report. All right, I'm feeling good about the earnings report, but you want to hedge yourself just in case. Hedge your position on that one. We got 213 current viewers. We have never got these many people currently watching the live stream. So with that being said, if you can get this thing to 125 likes, the live chat actually opens, guys. And I know a lot of you guys want to ask me about a ticker here once the market opens. You got 1 minute before the bell hits. Yeah, get this to 125 likes, guys. That's about 50 likes away. But in the meantime, in between time, as you all know, we're going to be looking for alerts during this live stream. So you guys will actually be able to watch me cook. All right. But we can't use our strategy until the first 5 minutes has went by in the open. All right, guys, we're sipping on some vanilla flavor coffee today. Put them coffee mugs in the live chat. Let's get it, guys. We just opened up here. Right now, we got about 106 likes. Got 106 likes. We just need 19 left, guys. You know what? The Big O says we doing this thing now. I'm opening up the live chat because we ain't got time to play, guys. We do not have time to play. Now, tell me what you guys have to say. We're opening with the live chat, guys. Bombard me. But I'm going to come back to the live chat, see what you guys are talking about. But in the meantime, RCAP, my man said the RCAP Palantir move has actually benefited wonderful on RCAP here. I'm just trying to get over to, I'm just setting everything up on the Discord as well. Don't know why I ain't have any of this already ready to go, but RCATs. Oops. TNXP. Let's see how quantum space stocks are right now reacting to the open negative in a negative fashion. Let's see negative fashion here on JOBY. Should be ACHR as well then. ACHR clearly has a little bit more momentum to the upside. All right. Yikes. We may get a chance to actually unload the rest of our calls here in SOUN today. But that easy money put option, man. Confident in that thing. ASAN here today. We did just get a pot here. What's going on? No news, but it is hitting a lot of bids right now, guys. This is something we shouldn't look past. ASAN. SMCI is doing its thing too right now. 20. All right, let's check out the live chat. Yo, what's your price prediction, Cal? I got you, Cal. We're gonna look at that. What's your price prediction? Give me the ticker. I forgot the ticker we talking about, Cal. What do you think of QBTS? Can it hit 7.7 this week? We're about to look at the levels on that. We got to check out SOUN. I got you. We're going to look at PLTR and DJT. I'm looking at the tickers you guys dropped in there. We're about to do a quick blow through them all. Can't forget about DXYZ. DXYZ, SpaceX in this case. One of the most jam-packed months on launches. As you know, guys, we got to do our DXYZ first. All right. We got to do our DXYZ first, guys. All right, because I am in love. I hope my wife ain't hear that because she would be asking questions. But again, let's see here. Really should look at the launch schedule, but what we say, $90 on the fly here, end of the month. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe we got $90 end of the month here. But yeah, guys, the reason why this thing is getting a lot of attention. A lot of people are like, what does this company do? Basically, they made one of the world's biggest investments in SpaceX. Not one of the world's biggest investments, but one of the biggest stakes in SpaceX. SpaceX is not publicly traded, so that's why this thing is getting a lot of attention. But wait till it gets on all trading platforms. I know Robinhood, one of retail investors' favorite, is lacking on the sale of this thing. eToro and many others, but yeah, I like this one. DXYZ. We still looking at $90, like I said. But if you want to end of the day PT, $80, man. The bids is there. The bids is there. QBT has just hit as well. Let's see why. Because it just broke that mid Bollinger, and we're getting great 5M coming in. DXYZ KULR. It seems as though, okay, we're past our first 5 minutes, so now we can go in for some alerts, guys. Watch me cook. ACHR needs to jump. MSTR is to Bitcoin. Blake, I like that. I like that. Haas, you know I got you, man. Christmas holiday mega sale. Yeah, don't forget about the sign up, guys. Don't forget about the Discord. I know a lot of people last live stream was asking about the are we gonna have a Christmas special for the membership. So yeah, guys, 50% off on all this on the Discord membership. Get it while it's there. But QBTS retrace rejection of that mid cross on the 1-3 fail 15. Okay, I don't like the 15 at all, but so that's what we got to look at. You got to go off the chart you don't like, guys, because if you go off the chart you see you're somewhat cheating yourself. I notice a lot of traders, they'll just flip through the intervals until it actually shows, until it looks bullish to them. Nah. You don't want to look at the one you like. QUBT. All right. Let's see. Check out our current. We got a profit ratio here at 78.39. Yeah, it's high, but not too high. Small number of holdings is currently trapped. Lower resistance. This thing can fly here. We got OPTT as well, guys. If you hear that ding, that's just my notifications for these stocks. That is preset. Basically, if a stock moves, I got it set to like if certain stocks move up within a 3-minute interval, 5%, I get a notification like UBGXG. This shit is whoa. Okay. All right, guys. I'm about to check the live chat here in a second. I'm about to check the live chat. It's like I'm checking the live chat. Alerting stocks in the Discord. Answering questions in the Discord and doing the live stuff. Ooh. All right, let's go to JOBY. Yeah, we got a tank in the sector. Let's see. Six, 3 to 6. Yeah. I feel like ACHR has a much higher retail investor interest than JOBY. Do you guys agree with that? Let's see here. QBTS, ACHR, RCAT probably thanks to their connection with it. Yeah, I agree with you on that one, Blake. Hey, Obi, what do you think about CLSK? CLSK. When I think about it on... Okay, we ride. It seems like once we broke through that blower, I keep my eyes out on this for the remainder of the week. Matter of fact, I'm putting it in the watch list because It's about to go two ways, man. Either this thing is on the reversal back towards that 1360 here by Wednesday, or devastation back towards those $10.50s. Nah, even lower than that. Yikes. Even lower than that. Back down towards those $10.20 levels. But I'm in favoring the turnaround. Yeah, I'm in favoring the turnaround. I'm in favor of that turnaround, but you do got to know both sides of the fence, man. I'm not going to tell you a one-sided story. QBTS moving on up. Yeah, it is, man. We buy. We'll check that out. Palantir end of the week. Yo, Justin, we got $90. No. $90 DXYZ, but we're going to get to you, Justin. We're going to get to that one. QBTA. That looks like an A, but it's an S, huh? I got you. We're going to look at We Buy. We Buy, man. I don't know, man. It's... what news is this? That's the type of news that'll do it. Nvidia got so much money, dude. They're carrying the market right now with these strategic play moves. Honestly, no, this ain't far off from $1. 30 million in market cap. We got a share flow of 70. 14 million gap from this total share count. So let me check their cash on there. I just want to see their yearly cash runway here. We're looking for the revenue breakdown. And the financial statement. Alright. Because Nvidia play does change everything for a shit ass company. Let's just say that. You got a lot of work to do to consider this thing a long-term investment from here, but nah, I'm not liking it. Of course, I bought the top of QBTS at 529. Yo, let me check this out. I'm seeing a lot of QBTS here in the comment section right now. You bought that pre-market high, huh? You'll be fine, man. It will be fine. All right. Should be fine on this, but we have elapsed 5 minutes. 5-minute ranking. Let's see. LASE. LAES. Sorry about that. Let's get that one. Insurance of 7.7 million ordinary shares. All right. Looks like this thing may have seen that high on the pre-market. I'm not seeing a we got PDYN right now. I mean, that's at 353. it can break and hold across that 353. And then I will put a $3.80 price target on it here for the day for PDYN. Those are levels you want to just keep your eyes out on here. We got NNE. Let's check it out. Checking out NNE here really quickly. Due to subscriber request. All right, NNE, a break. Yeah, we're trading along that lower. Not under the mid, above the lower. Let's see our PCD. Okay. Not a huge direction. Not a huge sign of a direction here currently in NNE. I will keep my eyes on market changes for sure, but right now it seems like it's finding a bottom consolidation here. QBTS just hit again. A safe close would be under that 565. We close above 565, things can get very rocky. Let's check out SOUN here really quickly. How much time we got? Been here for 15. Guys. All right, that 20% call. Some may still be holding on to. Let's check our SPY here. Clear sign in market direction right now, but I do want to note that we got a $90 price target end of the year for DXYZ, but Palantir still at $84 price target. End of the year, we got DXYZ here really quickly. I just want to check and see. Okay. All right. PDYN just hit here again. We're still pushing. Okay. And we're off. Plus, we got a 390 plus price target on that for the short term. After reaching and breaching that PT, guys, you will get updated with another one for those that's over in the Discord. But VRDN, another one. However, DJ, I need to get that DJ Khaled audio sound effect on the wrong pattern. What we talking, John? What pattern, John? Killed me with the $200 loss Friday. What we talking, sweets? Trug. Is Trug still a buy? Let me see price action on it, but yeah, that thing continued to drop, man, pretty darn quick. Sweet. Funny as shit. He told the man, your loss kind of makes me he tells him, man, your loss kind of makes me don't feel as bad about mine. That's It's crazy, man. Crazy. Guys, you cracked me up in the live chat. What price would you load up on ACHR? That's a tough ass question because that's a tough question. I would load up on it on a retracement for sure. But if you do decide to act, you do want to buy it at these prices, man, it does come with caution. Let me see here. Did we break our 863? We broke that 860. No, did we open above 8? No, we actually broke the 863 here today, but not by much. But I'll be a buyer around 780. KULR, who's holding this thing? I know a few of you guys still holding KULR. I get a lot of these comments in the comment section in the video, so of asking about updates. PHUN, I don't think PHUN is gonna see the type of move that DJT potentially will for that inauguration. All right, I think DJT is going to see more of the benefit. I think that'd be the best buy in that situation. Justin, you holding? Still holding, Justin? Justin still holding that KULR. I know Justin ain't the only one still holding, guys. Can't be. Who else holding with Justin? Is GXAI gonna recover? Yo, Robin, I got you. Okay, what we talking about? Recover from what? Recover from what? GXAI. Is we talking about recover from your injury? Is we talking about recovery from a 52-week high? Last week's high? Like, is we talking about recovering back towards those 750s? As far as recovering back towards those 750s, and it looked like it's about to flip the SAR here, man. This thing does creep around 261, but tomorrow's going to be a little bit higher. It's gonna flip the SAR even with a bottom consolidation here pretty soon. I don't like it. It was looking extremely bearish right now. It's looking extremely bearish right now. But if it does recover here, I do feel as though that the recovery range would be around 490 to 510 here in GXAY currently. This thing. About time we broke the price target. We got Andrea Willer just upgraded to a yearly membership over on the Discord. Shout out to Andrea. If you are currently watching, I got to get some more of those plug-ins, guys. As you all know, the laptop broke. I haven't really had enough time to actually get my plug-ins and everything for the live streams and all that, but we will have everything run up and running like usual here pretty soon. CPHI, I need to get that out my archives because it's just in the way here. See if we can find us another alert here on the fly. In the meantime, we're looking. PDYN is still serving its purpose. GRRR. I do like that trade along the mid here on, what was that? The 1. But 3.515 is what we look at. 3.5 and the 15. They're much higher above that upper. Ooh, okay, let's go check out this really quickly. Just want to see the bid and ask ratio really quickly. Just showing you guys a few things I do. You can watch me cook here. Yeah, I kind of like it, but I think I know for a fact we can find something with more potential here on the day. I mean, it's money there. It's money still on the table here in GRRR here on the day. But it looks like the SPY just broke here to the upside. We were too busy doing other things, huh? 608. Ooh. Ooh, I hope the stream didn't go down. The stream didn't go down, did it? I don't know. Did the stream just go down, guys? I don't know if it did or what. But don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Let's get this thing up to 200 likes, man. Let's see if we can get this thing up to 200 likes. Shout out to everybody that did come out today. Freak. Give me the 1 minute, of course. Do I like it? LEDS. QBTS. Okay. Break that. Okay, we broke the 5.29. We may be on the fly. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Just checking out the live chat. And just checking out the live chat. All right. You guys say, Joby, you got them 12-20 calls at the $8 strike. 12-20 calls. I got you. I got you, guys. What else? That's why I like for y'all to get that live chat open, man. So we can so I can do things like this. Cam said 12.20 on the $8 call. 12.20 on the $8 call. I gotta see the price on that. I gotta see the price on that $8 call. Them OTMs. Cheap as shit. Just how I like it, Cam. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so we got 4 days until expiration. You're looking for an $8 cross. Right now, let's go look at our quotes. This is why I tell you guys, you new traders out there that want to get into options, make the switch over to Moo, man, because they got a lot of these tools that you will find pretty helpful. So, Cam. JOBY, man, market conditions calls for it. We're looking at $9 here by the end of the week, right? I'm pretty sure that's why you're looking at that $8 call. But let's say we see $8 here by Wednesday, so 2 days from now. You're looking at a 96% walk away premium from the price that we see here currently at that 15 cent. But market conditions calls for it. Let's say $9 here by Friday, right? On the expiration date. Well, my good friend, you're looking at a 500 now. Well, 568% walk away premium. And just at that $9 strike, man, at that $9 share price. But again, that's if market conditions calls for it. Right now, we're seeing a lot of back and forth sloppy trading, but I think it's worth it. I think it's a great one to go for. Yeah, pull it. Pull it. $10 this month. It may QBTS 550. That's what we looking at. I need it to drop again. John, what we talking about? What we talking about? ASTS. I got you, KV. You guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Like, no, seriously though. The more likes we get on this video, the more viewers we will have due to YouTube recommendations. So let's get this thing up. But ASTS, they chart flat under it. All right. I mean, it's still trading along it, but it's under, but it's trading along it, right? So it does have my attention. No, I thought it was trading along it. Along it will be 23, high 23s. Yesterday, well, Friday. Rejection. ASTS, very iffy right now. Unclear. It's very unclear right now. Right now, sizable holdings is currently trapped right now in ASTS, which causes a higher resistance. Just to let you guys know that. So right now, prediction on QBTS this month, end of the month. I got you, Kenny. I got you, Kenny. I got you. I got you guys. QBTS is. I see this might be everybody's focus here today. All right, I just gotta go look at SOUN because this is shaping up like SOUN right now. All right, let's go back to QBTS. Look at this thing on the 15-minute. I mean, the bids is there, man, and they're not slowing down. Bids aren't showing any sign symbol of a slowdown. 580 on the day. This thing cracked. Set a 52-week high, but 580 on the day. Let's check our short position take in here. Extra large. Not a huge fluctuation in outflow just yet, man. Not a huge short pinpoint. 580, we hit 580, guys. That's the 580 we've been waiting on. $594 here. Next stop. All aboard. Next stop. $594. But guys, this is a money train. No, it can't be stopped. No, I'm just playing, guys. This thing can stop at any given moment. SERV, my dude. Cow. Guys, if I don't see your comment, throw a couple emojis in there. A bell or two. I see it then, I tell you that. But I got you, Cal. I got you. Okay, so what we looking at? This is QBTS. Okay, cool. That SERV. I'm just getting a whole bunch of freaking messages on Reddit right now about QBTS. Told him 777. Did we hit 777 for Monday? No, we're talking ACHR. Yeah, end of the week. Looking at 770 end of the week. Okay. Sounds about right. UBXG. Nah, we got TNPX. It's coming down a little bit. UBXG has to break that 446. SMCI. I like the trading day pattern. So far, TNPX is breaking out though. TNXP, sorry about that. TNXP, I gotta update the price target. Okay, damn, I forgot about that. Everyone. TNXP PT smashed. New PT set for 37 cents. 37 cents plus. Okay, so let's keep that going. PLTR low this week or next. I'm looking to add position low side on the PLTR. I got you, Jason. But for those that's concerned, 37 plus PT for TNXP. Palantir on the low end of things. We could be looking at $68 here, low side. That's causing for a Mia Bollinger bounce. That would be a huge bull flag on the return to the upside. So $68 would be my buy point here in PLTR. If that opportunity presents itself. DJT, I got you, Jacob. You see, Jacob threw them emojis in there. That was the first thing I noticed when I looked at the live chat. So again, man, just something to stand out in the live chat, so I instantly see it. So, yep. Let's see here, DJT, and you guys know, you seen the video. We riding that upper Bollinger Band to the upside here. This is the pre-rally line. The pre-rally to that office switch, should I say, is taking place a little bit earlier than expected. All right. With that being said, man, just to let everybody know, just like the first rally, expect the exact same thing. After the announcement, expect downwards momentum, please. In fact, you're going to see a race to sell. Remember that term, race to sell, guys? That's exactly what is going to happen this time, all right? So please don't be one of those guys that thought after he became president, after winning the race, it was going to go to $200, $300. No, guys. It's going to be a race to sell after, so Get that money and get gone, all right? What the PLTR January go? I got you. 17 JA 717 117. The $90 holla. Honestly, you're good with that one. $90 1117. I mean 117 on that 117 strike. But yeah. Let me see. I just want to check out. But DJT end of the week $42. PLTR $42 with comfort, with sustainability. No, I take that back because we are going to retrace under those $42 after the guy steps into office. But I think we're going to go higher than the 42 by then. By the time he make that announcement. PLTR, what we doing on January 17th? We looked at 117s. We looking at, I think he said 90 strikes right now. Yeah. I mean, honestly, yeah. 90 strike, sit back. No, fuck no. No. Yeah. You can go with that one. Sell the premium pretty darn early, around the $85 share price, but 117 is like next month. So let me see how much percent gain that would cost. 10%. Yeah. You'll be looking at like a set 16% increase in share price within the next 30 days of trade in order to get close towards $90. I don't want to say the one. Yeah, man, that's a tough one right now for me, honestly. Because 16% isn't nothing small for a company that has a market cap the size of Palantir. So if you do decide to pull the trigger on that one, man, tread lightly. All right, tread lightly. Buy the dip just yet, around $68, Steve. I'll wait for $68, Steve. HOVR, I got you, Haas. Big Haas. Struggle, low volume here so far on the day. Coming off of yesterday's, Friday, 1.11 million so far. Yeah, we're low on volume here today. We're under volume here. Under hedge volume. It's like one of those market conditions, like that you got to watch. A change in market conditions here for the sector. Let's go back to our related stocks just to check out. Yeah, it's above that upper here, tightly along lower. I like it. I like the chart for that bounce across on the mid back towards those 87-cent levels here by Friday is what I'm predicting here. That's what I'm predicting. It's still streaming. Yep, we still streaming. We still streaming, man. Aiming up that $10 for QBTS. QBTS hit $10. A lot of people who's gonna make a lot of money. KUL. LR is still pushing here, riding that upper. NRDY is well starting to pick up. We got that's still pushing. What, dude? This thing's seen some halts. KULR is picking up here. Duo. What's going on with Duo, guys? Okay, NRDY. Just have to put an alert out on that. Alright. Let's check the live chat. We got, hey, Obi, thoughts on Dell? SATL buy guidance. I got you, Blake. SERV PT for the easy money calls. Oh, yeah. Let's get those SERVs in there. Told y'all about these easy money calls on SERV, right? Fuck, I should have been put those out there. The fuck am I doing, right? Alright. And we ain't doing them far out, man. Y'all thought I was gonna give you a 2-week EXP? Fuck nah, 16, man. $16 strike. Right now, this bad boy going for 45 cents. $16 strike, bro. EXP 12.20. $16 strike. Easy money call option. Now it's at 50 cents. I repeat. SERV easy money call option. Expiration expiration 12.20. Strike $16. All right. All right. Let's put a 3-minute on 25. No, that's a lot. 10%. But this is the call option, though. Easy money call option. I'm going to leave this there for a little bit longer so you guys can get it. QBTS 5.9. From 5.9. QBTS. Look for that 770 end of the week, man. 770 end of the week. Dang, we danced with for 5.9. See how many likes we got in this thing so far. We got 138 likes. Guys, if you haven't smashed that like button just yet, can you please do so? Anytime, Justin, you know I'm here to help. We got SOUN. Got you, Avery. You gonna let them calls go at 100%, Fig? I got you. How well JOBY is treating you guys. PDYN. I'm gonna look at 120 on them SERV calls. We buying the shares are selling midweek. On what we talking? On SERV. Honestly, Nvidia's holding, so I would think to man, I would buy shares on the I'll continue to play the options there in SERV. MIGI, I continue to do that. MIGI. Let's check out MIGI right here really quickly. Huge stretch under that mid. Okay. SERV still sitting there. Damn, market's diving. TNHP. Why is that still? Let me check the live chat. My boy John day trading. Still $7 on Q Chin. $7 on the day Chin. I don't know about $7 on the day Chin, but I do got $7. $7 price target on this thing. $7 on the day? God damn. A $7 on the day would be somewhere around here. That would be extremely high. Let's just say that. Extremely high. But yeah, I got $7 on the week. End of week on QBTS. 5.9. Like right now, we are beyond overbought. So setting a PT on the day higher than this, it does come with risk. So that's why if I do something like that, for those that's over in the Discord, guys, that's why I say consider partial profits when a situation comes into play like that, because yes, there's a very great chance to continue to the upside, but when you're above that upper, you tend to not trade much longer above it, as you guys can see here. Keep that in mind. Keep that one in mind. What price should I sell QBTS today? Depending on your average cost, percent gain that you're up. Everyone's situation may vary depending on circumstances. Most of these small cap stocks are in overbought territory, but let's keep the momentum going, I guess. He said, let's keep the momentum going. Someone's going to be caught with the hot potato. All right, guys. We like what we see here. We really, really do. Check that live chat. Let me check that live chat again, man. Get this thing up to 150 likes, guys. We're just 7 away. Smash that like button. SOUN entry point. Honestly, entry point on SOUN, man, is once these goddamn puts start printing. That's when we consider entry. But right now, as you know, we got those 20% of the cost still that expired this end of the week. We got some puts that expired end of the week here in SOUN. Yeah, we were looking for that put move to actually print here today and hold our calls out for the end of the week, but we might actually get the opposite. All right. We may get the opposite, but I do feel as though that it's going to be beneficial, though. Either way. Pulled out at 10K. Thanks, Obi. Will be in the month. Will by at the end of the day, depending. Yeah, it really depends on PA. Really depend on PA for me, guys. Not actual share price, but the actual price action. You know what I'm saying? Matters more to me. SMTK still on the retrace, break through that mid. We go through the mid to the downside. That's what you expect there. A continuation UAVS, but TNXP 5-minute ranking is pointing towards a movement on RGTI. Get it. You know, we hit this one too, guys. We hit this one too. Got an $8.10 price target on RGTI. After we reach and breach that, I will be updating guys on the price target on RGTI as well. Again, y'all, don't forget about Friday's live stream. Do not forget about Friday live stream. Guys, meet me here every Monday and Friday, 8:15 a.m., 15 minutes before the market open. Twice a week. Twice a week, guys. Every day, same time, same channel, same. No, but with different alerts each and every time, guys. I'm curious if SATL is a steal right now. I got you, Blake. SATL. And don't SATL. And guys, don't be afraid to engage with each other here. I know a lot of you guys could have gave him that knowledge as well. But situation like this, I give it a couple of more days. But I'm getting bottom consolidation vibes out of this here. Basically, with no clear market direction right now here for SATL. Let's keep your tabs on market changes, really. Far as what is the sector looking like? That's aerospace defense. Yeah. Volume quiet down here as well from previous days. So we're just seeing a cool down. Should make a turnaround here pretty soon. Isn't showing the full-fledged turnaround here just yet. So I think you can get a better steal, basically. And of the week price target for RGTI, I got you. RGTI. Those warrants performing. Okay, I see $8 by Wednesday, but I expect retracement this week as well, depending on where we hit. If we can get the retracement before Wednesday, end of the week price target is up much higher. If that does take place, I have a $8.40 price target here, end of the week for RGT. That's my floor, with the high end being upwards of $9.70. One moment, guys. Let me get me a little bit of this coffee. So, had to get my motor oil, you guys. Like the old schools once say. That's what the old school people tell me. They call it motor oil. Dude, this one right here is just killing me. QBTS, $6 holla. $6 holla, $6 holla. We got that $6 holla. No jahala. Speaking my native language. I just bought some NVIDIA. Obi making some great calls. Kyle, listen, man, I try when I try. All right. So QUBT, 5K in total. Listen, KY, we're doing what we do best, and that's make money. A lot of people trying to get offended by the channel name. They be like, oh, fuck, I can't watch your channel. It's called Making Easy Money. It's not easy. What? This is, if you ask me, guys, this is considered making easy money. Because people do a lot of extreme things for money. And people is currently making money off a few clicks of a few clicks of a mouse is pretty darn easy. All right. We flipped that SAR here on the 1 minute. Yo, KY in the building just joined the early seat membership. With that membership, KY, you don't have to wait to comment for said amount of likes. You get videos early. You don't have to wait for premieres. And yeah. TGTX, it's moving. Shout out to my boy KY for joining the membership. Yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys weekend tutorial videos as well that you guys get before the bulk of everyone. So yeah, guys, every time you see me drop a video, if you see a video drop and it says membership only, do not get upset because members get the video first, and then an hour or two later, then it becomes public to everyone else. All right. That's mostly on the weekend videos. So, yeah. QBTS, though, on the other hand of things, back around the $6. VDRN. No, that's not VDRN. That's it. But I kind of liked it that as well, what I just said, but any call options on QBTS? I think we go to QBTS. Like, shit. Would I put a call option on QBTS right now? Nope. I would go long and just have my position with puts, man. I just hedge my position with a light foot put. Because, honestly, if you look at this, man, going calls now isn't the right thing to do. We way above that upper, right? So what I do is go long. If I was feeling FOMO-ish, I would go long, buy some puts to hedge, because in case of a retracement, if it does take place, I take my money out off the top of those puts since the put's printed, of course, we're going to be at a lower share price, right? I take that money out of there, average down at that point for the swing to the upside. That's just me, though. That's just me. But yeah, if you wanted to get in here, buy some shares, get a few put options, not a lot, just to benefit on this upcoming retracement. Once that retracement fulfills itself, take your money out your puts, use that money to average down, swing this trade pattern, and take your money off the table. Thanks, Obi. Entry for DXYZ. Got you, Pat. Gotcha. Okay, PT. Mark says, okay, PT just hit his thing. Honestly, on that, I will hold off just for now. Until I see a bottom consolidation state on that. I've been watching to buy back in. John getting greedy. John said he got a hit. Double tap, huh, John? Nothing wrong with it. Calls were great on the open. Yeah. Thanks, Obi, for the entry for DXYZ. I got you on one of those. Never buy puts. I never buy puts. Just don't. Nah. I mean, I gotta make money. Yeah. I try to be market neutral when I can. Market neutral people those that are market neutral tend to actually make great returns, man. So I try when I can, but QBTS, man, $7.70 PT for the end of the week. That's what I got on this. So, damn spy calls. Call just blew up, guys. TXN. Let's see. We got TNXP still doing its things. QMCO. RUM. Rumble. Let's get ready. Rumble just blew up, guys. Any news? No news. No news. Anybody holding Rumble? Let me know. Like, what you guys expect this thing to go to here today? Again, those that is new to the live stream, smash that like button. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord server, man. For the simple fact that we're currently having 50% membership off membership, guys. So while that opportunity is still presenting itself, you may want to consider that. I like what I'm seeing here in Rumble, though, guys. Right now, currently, we're seeing the bids pick up. They're looking pretty darn strong. Joshua is currently holding Rumble, but I got my boy Kyle holding Rumble. Who else? Tez want to check out QBTS. Tez done hit me with that. They hit me with that a few times. You think ACHR breaks 10 this week? There it go, flying. Do I think ACHR breaks 10? Let me see. I think we got... I don't want to give you nothing astronomical, right? I like to be as accurate as possible. I think it break 10, that's $1.50. see. That's like 17% gain from what we see here today. End of the week, it's possible, very possible. In fact, likely to happen. $9 break in our favor. Yep. SERV, we do see that retracement here. This thing should. I'm gonna see this thing close above those $15 levels here today, guys. Today. SOU puts down 50%. Should I cut them? I don't want to say should you cut them. Let me see. Down 50%, and it's turning around. No, I wouldn't cut them. Nah, this thing got to turn around. So, but if you cut them, I get ready to sell our calls though here pretty soon. That expire end of the week. As you know, we got 20% of those. Our call positions still hanging around. I still hang on to my puts. In fact, I would use the rest of the gains that I'm about to get out of these calls and add to my put position. One of them had to print, but we know stocks just doesn't go up, all right? So yeah, I'm still playing that strategy out. Kyle. I think Kyle hit me up with that. No, Kyle didn't hit me with that. That was my boy Melter. GSAT 210 end of the week. Yeah. 210 at the end of the week, GSAT. We'll check it out. We will check it out. Global Star. Trade along that mid Bollinger Band, 210 end of the week. It's possible if we do actually see a rejection to the downside break, but that is a downside break. So it is looking very bearish. I'm like 40% no, we don't see 210. 60% leaning towards yes. And what's JOBY looking like short term? Let's check it out. JOBY right now short term, that mid, it looked like earlier today that this thing was actually going to bounce off this mid, but that mid break isn't a great sign at all. I will keep my eyes out on this thing for sure for today's close. We want to see this thing actually close above that mid Bollinger Band, because if it closed below it, things are going to get very bearish for the remainder of the week. Keep your eyes out on that price action for sure. Our cat retraced from its peak. SOUN LUNRONDS. What do you think of SOUN inputs? I think they gonna start printing here later this week. Should start printing here pretty soon. In fact, Got QUBT picked up here. We're about to see a SAR flip here on the day. That's a huge bull flag to see a jump on that SAR flip here. 954 on the tops here on the upper. Looks very promising here on the day for QUBT. Anybody still holding this thing? Let me know in the live chat, guys. Let me know in the live chat. Don't forget to smash that like button. Let's get this thing up to 175 likes if you're new to the live chat and forgot to do so. Your time to do so is now. QBTS update, please. I have QUBT. Haas got QUBT. Yeah, we about to see a SAR flip here on QUBT, guys. This thing, it should be headed towards $9 at the end of the day, but QBTS again. Yeah, way above that upper. We should continue to see an upside pull here in the quantum space, guys. In the quantum computing space. But again, though, I will be doing an update video on QUBT, QBTS, SOUN, and as well as ACHR all in one video on the rundown video. So I hope you guys check that out. I hope everyone that made it to this live stream checks that video out and smash that like button as well. You guys have been really helping the channel grow quickly. We just crossed 36,000 subscribers. Headed towards 37,000 pretty darn quickly. So again, guys, please keep up with the engagement that you guys have been leaving here on the channel. I really, really do appreciate that a lot. All right, a very lot. But again, QBTS looking good. Our whole market change. We saw a market change here today. I know a lot of people were saying a stock market crash is about to happen here today, this and that. But guys, we've been treading light water here the last 2 consecutive trading days. So VRDN still sticking around. We're not seeing a. Let's see if we can find this alert before we get up out of here, guys. QBTS, QMCO. TNPX, we're just seeing this. RXRX. We're seeing a lot of NVIDIA holdings break out here today. In fact, 5-1 on the ups. And favoring ups. Let's see. We want that 5-day ranking. The 5-day ranking. SERV, SOUN top 2. APLD follow behind that. APLD should have a much higher market cap, right? Oh, APLD only a 2.18 market cap. May want to consider this here on the day. Anybody holding APLD, which is also an NVIDIA's holding, guys. We might just do a whole video on the NVIDIA's holding. I just bought NVIDIA in general, the sector. Yep, the dividend, best dividend stock. John, I do a video on that. I do a video on that dividend video. Got you on that, buddy. QUBT. LAES. Yeah, everything's shaping up, man. Everything's shaping up. TNXP just pulled off, though. It's not looking back. We're seeing a market change. We're seeing a market change here right now in favoring longs. Yeah. My boy John. John must be from Philly. Somewhere in Philly, huh, John? Gotta be. Hit me with the yeah. Gotta be Philadelphia. I stepped away. Jimmy. I got you, fish. Right now, fish. We still want that January 17 calls. Let me check those out here. The money calls. 30 is loaded. 35, 40 should be loaded. Extremely loaded. 26,000. $40 to 50. It's a long 75,000. The reason why we're saying it's 75,000 on that because it's very, very cheap. Delta 0.4. The higher that gets, guys, the much higher effect it's gonna have on the delta. I mean, things are still shaping up for a gamma squeeze to take place depending on if the price action calls for it. Right now, the options chain is calling for it. But the price action has to follow shortly behind it. And that's what it's lacking. Don't forget to, thanks for the service nugget. Anytime, Donald. Anytime. But GME, that's what we're looking at, fish. That's what we're looking at. APLD with a small on the 5-year. I think APLD should be good, man. I think it should be good. Check out this SOUN. Killing me, Smalls. All right. Alrighty then. All right, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. We ran this live stream to its fullest. I will be updating you guys over on the Grandmaster-obi page as well as Making Easy Money. So look out for those updates here today, guys. And see you in Friday's live stream for sure. And may the gains be with you.